let's begin with a superb story session, a time where we become thought leaders. We listen to simple, beautiful, and nice stories, and we learn lovely life skills, life lessons, and life values. Everybody in Vajrasan? Yes. This story is of a rich farmer. He had two sons whom he loved the most. They were his greatest love. And he would do anything and everything for them. And he had said that when I die, you both can take half of my all my wealth. You can divide it among each other. The younger son was a bit impatient, and he said, "Father," he went to father and asked, "Father, can I have my share now? Is it possible?" Father was a little hurt, but he loved his son a lot, and he said, "Okay, fine, I'll give you all." And with a little bit of pain, he wanted the son to wait for much more longer. However, he gave all his wealth. The young one took all the wealth, money, and every other thing and relocated to a city. When he went to city with so much of wealth, he made so many friends. All friends. They partied, they had fun, they enjoyed good food, every other kind of pleasure, liquor, whatnot, every other thing, drinking, dancing, everything was happening. And very soon, all the wealth got over and his friends disappeared. He had nothing. He was left with nothing. And it became so bad. Just outside the city, there was a farm where he went and he sought a job. He got a job to take care of pigs. In a pig's sty, he got a job to take care of the pigs. He would clean the pigs, he would do all those dirty things he will do, and he'll feel very bad. Sometimes he'll think the servants which were there in his house, in his father's house, actually got more food to eat than this guy. He hated it. He would cry every night, and whatever he did, his owner treated him very badly. His boss treated him very. One day he decided this is enough. Even if my father gives me any job in his farm or anything, I'll go back. Went back to his father. The moment father saw him, oh my God, he went running. He hugged his son. He said, what happened? Father, he said his entire story. Dad, this happened. I lost all the wealth you gave me, and I'm very sorry. I'm such a disappointment. Father said, no, don't worry. Father immediately ordered, come, bring some new clothes for my son who has come back, and bring a good feast. Looks like you haven't eaten from days. Gave him good, nice, large feast, and hugged his son, and they lived happily ever after. What do we learn from this story?
Patience is the most important.
Patience is most important. Why do you say that, dear?
Because if you don't have patience, you'll just do something bad.
Okay. Who should have had patience?
Probably me.
You? From the story?
Well, sure. So the boy.
The young man should have had patience. Patience in what?
In giving the money when the boys become big.
We should have waited, you meant.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Coach, to happen something good in your society or in your surroundings, you should work hard for it and wait for the right time to come.
Awesome.
Coach, if you do something wrong, don't feel guilty. Go tell it to your parents or your coaches, they'll forgive you.
Nice. One more view we got from Sailesh. He says, if something wrong happens, don't feel bad. You can always talk to your family members, your parents, your coaches, your teachers, and they'll forgive you. Very nice.
Which happiness is the key.
Happiness is the key.
Coach, two things. Patience is key. The father, even though he felt bad, he should have told his son that you need to wait for a while to get your share of the will, and to become more mature. And for the young man, he should have had patience in money. He should have used his money wisely.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Spend your money wisely.
Spend your money wisely.
Coach, use your money wisely.
Use your money wisely.
Coach, use your mind and wealth for the right use.
Coach, think before you act.
Use your mind and money for the right purpose. Think before you act.
Wait for the right time. Patience never fails.
Patience never fails. Wait for the right time. This story is from the Bible, actually. This story represents the father, not just the father here, that's also there, but just the Holy Father, God. That whatever mistakes you do, whatever it is, as long as the father is there, father is there, the moment you go back, say sorry, reconcile. Reconcile, your father is ready to forgive you. The story is about forgiveness, it's about reconciliation, and how our this thing parents are ready to forgive. We have to just go and seek their forgiveness, and they're ready to take care of us. Yes,
Coach,
sometimes it happens that we go the wrong way, but when we learn, go back, seek forgiveness. Correct, Shri? Yeah, seek forgiveness, fresh start is obviously possible, but however, we have to go. We have to go back to our parents, our teachers, our Holy Father. Yeah. Wonderful. Did you enjoy the story? Super. Wonderful. Let's get into completing the rest of the morning ritual. Everybody sit in Vajrasan. Over to Yukta. Yukta, you're using the mobile phone? Yeah, use mobile phone and the clarity is very good. Yes.
Let's start with our short meditation.
Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed and stay still.
Let's start with our alternate nasal breathing. Let's start with breathing 6 counts. Hum. 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 Let's start with energizer. Low speed, low energy. To high speed, high energy, high intensity. Now, let's start with gratitude. Cross your hands. Thank yourself. Thank yourself for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank yourself for always being so passionate. Thank yourself for always being compassionate. Thank yourself for always forgiving everyone. For always having the act of forgiveness. For always being kind. Thank yourself for always making wise choices. For always making the right choices. Thank yourself for always seeking forgiveness. Thank you, 2 to support your mom and your dad for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank your gurus, your teachers, your coaches. They've always forgiven you whenever you made a mistake. Thank them for always being tough on you, for always pushing you, helping you move forward. Thank your family and your friends for always supporting you, for always being there whenever you needed them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving resources like food, water, oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now thank the God, the Almighty, for giving a soul of the purpose, a soul of the why, a soul of the mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now visualize a bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes through your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips, goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe, toe to head, fully rest with bright white light. Now, we're in the right state of mind to visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your goals for today, your goals for tomorrow. Start. Now let go of your hands in your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing.
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 I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm kind.
I'm
I'm
kind.
I'm compassionate.
I'm compassionate.
I make wise choices.
I make wise choices.
I make the correct choices.
I make the correct choices.
I'm self-disciplined.
I'm
self-disciplined.
self-disciplined.
I'm self-aware.
I'm self-aware.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm valuable.
I'm
I'm
valuable.
valuable.
I am a superb human.
I
I'm a
am a
superb
superb human.
Raindrop claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. Last one. Second one. Last one. And I see it was a better place. Done, coach.
The cheerleader, can you please call me back? Can you ask she to call me back?
Sri,
The video is paused.
she left the meeting.
Bye-bye. End the meeting.
Bye, everybody.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.